Good morning students, how are you? Student, in our previous video, we have solved some problems based on basic proportionality theorem. And in this video, we will solve some more problems based on BPT. So, let us start with exercise 6.2 question number 5. Student, in this question, we have given that in this figure, this line DE is parallel to OQ and this line DF is parallel to OR. These two things are given in this, and we have to prove that this third line of this triangle, that is EF, is parallel to the third line of bigger triangle QR. We have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. So let us start this question with the given. In given, this line D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. What we have to prove? We have to prove that EF parallel QR. This thing we have to prove. For that, let us start it. First of all, you take triangle POQ. You write in triangle POQ. Here in this triangle, what thing are common? You have given that in POQ D line is parallel to OQ. You write the same, DE is parallel to OQ. This thing is given. So therefore, you will apply BPT here. You know that if in a triangle, if a line bisect other two lines, then and parallel to the third line, then other two lines will be divided in the same ratio. So therefore, as D is parallel to OQ, so PE upon PQ will be equal to PD upon DU. And why it is so? Because by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. This is question number 1, equation 1. Now you take another triangle, that is triangle POR. You write the same. Now in triangle POR. In this triangle we have given that DF is parallel to what? It is parallel to OR. This thing is given. So therefore, if DF is parallel to OR, what does it mean? It means PF upon FR is equal to what? PD upon DU. PD upon DU. What is the reason for that? Again same, by BPT. This is equation number 2. Now you take this to equation. Now you write from equation 1 and 2. Here you see this thing is equal to PD by DU. This thing is also equal to PD by DU. It means our right hand side is equal. And if our right hand side is equal, then obviously our LHS will also be equal. So from equation 1 and 2, we can write PE upon EQ is equal to what? PF upon FR. This thing. This result you have derived from these two equations. Now, what you have to prove? You have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. For that, now you take triangle, right? Now, in triangle what? Bigger triangle PQR. In this triangle, what you have proved? You have proved that PE upon EQ is equal to what? PF upon FR. This thing already you have proved. because you can see in this triangle PE upon EQ, PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. This thing you have proved. It means these two sides are divided in the same ratio. And student, you have studied about the converse of BPT, and that statement tell us that in a triangle, if two sides are divided between same ratios, then this line will be parallel to the third line. So as these two lines, these parts are in the same ratio, so this implies this line EF will be parallel to what? QR. And reason you have to mention why it is so, because by converse of BPT. So hence this is your answer. So, and same is the next question. Now student, let us read the statement of question number 6. Start reading. All you should read. Then we will start the next question. Stand in this question, you have given that in figure 6.21, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively of a triangle PQR. Then such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. So first of all, you have to draw the figure for that. Here you have to make little bit modification. So let us do it. What you have to do? Just remove this side. Just little bit. Here now figure is like this. Just make that change. Now name of the figure is, this is point P, Q, R. This point A. This point is B. This point is C, and this is any point O. This thing you have given figure. Start this answer solution with the given. In this figure you have given that ABC are points on OP. A is on OP, B is on OQ, C is on OR, such that this line AB given, you write in figure, you have AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to what? PR. This thing is given. What thing you have to prove? You have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. This thing you have to prove. Student, this question is also on same steps as you have did previous question. So let us start with the given. Here AB is parallel to PQ. So you have to pick that triangle which contains AB and PQ. AB and PQ. These two lines are in triangle POQ. So first of all you write the same, you write in triangle POQ. What thing you are having? Write the given. You are having AB is parallel to PQ. And you know that if in a triangle the line parallel to the third side is divided the other two sides in the same ratio. As AB is parallel to PQ, therefore OA upon AP will be equal to what? OB upon BQ. And what is the reason for that? Because it is by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. This is our first result. Now similarly, we see the second triangle which contains AC and PR. AC is this side and PR is this side. So which triangle contains these two sides? It is triangle POR. You write the same in triangle POR. What thing we are having? We are having AC is parallel to PR. This thing is given. So therefore, what does it mean? If AC is parallel to PR, then by BPT we can write OA upon AP is equal to what? OC upon CR. OC upon CR. Why it is so? Again same reason, because by BPT. This is equation number 2. Now observe these equations carefully. Here in these equations, this thing is equal to what? OA by AP. And this thing is also equal to what? OA by AP. Now here our LHS is same. It means our RHS will also be same. So you write the same from equation 1 and 2. What you will get? You will get OB by BQ is equal to what? OC by CR. Now student, you take the bigger triangle or third triangle, you write. Now what you have to prove? You have to prove that BC is parallel to QR. So you have to pick that triangle which contains BC and QR. So BC and QR, these two part of line are in triangle QOR. So which triangle you have to take here? Now in triangle QOR, what thing we are having here? We can write OB by BQ is equal to what? It is equal to OC by CR. Why it is so? Because this thing you have proved. And you know the converse of BPT. So here you have to apply converse of BPT. And that suggests that if these two sides are divided between the same ratio, then lines will be parallel. So this implies this line BC will be parallel to what? It will be parallel to QR. And what is the reason for that? Because by converse of BPT. This is our answer. Student, as today is Saturday and tomorrow we have little bit more time, so to utilize that time in a productive way, let us do some activity. I suggest one task or activity to you. Just see it carefully. First of all, you will take any A3 or A4 size sheet of drawing, or if it is not available with you, you can take simple page also. On that page, what you will do? You have to draw 5 triangles like this. 1 of different shapes and different size. 5 triangles you have to take. On these triangles, suppose this is your first triangle. What you have to do? First, you draw a line which is parallel to this. Suppose this is triangle A, B, C. This is D, E. You draw any triangle. On this, in this triangle, you draw a line D in such that D should be parallel to BC. After this, now measure this AD, then measure BD. After that, measure AE and then measure EC. You first of all you find the ratio AD by DB. You have to find it. Then AE by EC. This you have to find it. And then you have to check whether they are divided among same ratio or not. So this activity you have to do. So this is for the day. Thank you.